the thing, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm from the suburbs, you know what I'm saying? I lived in the hills, and I know for people like you, it's real hard coming up. How'd you do it? Yeah. So you know what I'm saying? From the hood coming up, how was it, man? Must be real tough.
I mean, like I always tell my goons, you know what I'm saying? Reach for the sky. The sky gonna be high. Touch it. I mean, my big. Sometimes I get funny, you know what I'm saying? But I mean,
It's just
it
what it
ain't
is.
hard though. You know what I'm saying? You see people shooting at you every day.
Bucking.
Trying to go to the bathroom and somebody shoot you.
Can't even take a shit in peace.
Trying to take a shit in here.
Got niggas bucking over
You
you.
know what I mean? But I'm just happy I made it out the hood, you know what I'm saying? One day I was sleeping, and I was like, I gotta get up out the hood. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you gotta
You
get.
know what I mean?
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what's up. That's how to do it.
I just did. Will I ever go back to the hood? Hell to the fuck no, I ain't gonna go
That's
back.
motivation right there, nigga.
You know
That's
what
some
I'm
real
saying?
shit right there, man.
Yeah.
So what you got for the youngest out there, man? You know what I'm saying? The youngest who want to be just like you. You know, you're a star. You're a celebrity. You know what I'm saying? You got niggas looking up to you like shit. You know what I'm saying? What's your vibe? What's your word for the niggas, man?
Niggas just gotta be niggas, though. You feel me? The niggas focus on life. Like I said, the sky is up.
So high you can touch it.
You can touch it sometimes.
Like Kanye said, huh?
Like if you get a ladder and shit, you can touch the sky.
You got some weed. Like you don't smoke. You don't smoke, Will. Wow, that's what's
Oh
up,
man,
though.
what you outside?
So what you got for the niggas like Lil Wayne kissing their daddies? You know what I'm saying? I know they got word on the street talking about niggas kissing their daddies and shit. You know what I'm saying? Just put a little spit on that, man. Just put a little word on that.
I mean, for another nigga to give another nigga some love and affection, you know, that's what the hood's all about. We kiss every day.
So, but I mean, like when Birdman, when in an interview I was talking to Birdman, and I said, Birdman, you know what I'm saying? You're a gangster. You always think about, you know what I'm saying, bitches and money. You know what I'm saying? You never said you were homo. You know what I'm saying? But you homo though. But you never just put it out there. And he said, well, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to, you know, give some love to my younger through the mouth. So I mean, what you gotta say about that, man? Is that how you do it? Can't you just give a nigga some money, show some love?
I mean,
Give a nigga a hug, you know what I'm saying? Just show some love. Why you gotta do it through the mouth?
I mean, I feel you on that. I thought about it too. Back then, I was making my music video. Get money. If you get money, you get a lot of money. When you're not trying to get money, get it?
Get it.
You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
You get what I just
They
said?
gonna get it too.
It's a lot of thought. I put it on it. You know what I mean?
A lot of thought.
It's a lot of thought. I put it on it. You know?
Alright, so what you gotta say about, you know what I'm saying, Michael Vick eating up dogs and shit, you know what I'm saying? He be eating them dogs.
Dogs be dogs.
Dogs?
Dogs gotta fight dogs.
But you think he's supposed to go to jail for dogs?
I mean, if we was a kid or a pussy, ain't nobody gonna say nigga. But it was a dog. Gotta fight dogs.
So they kicked him out the door. Alright, that's cool, man. I really appreciate the time, man. You know what I'm saying? You inspired the niggas out there in the hood, man, because a lot of niggas can get up out the hood, you know what I'm saying? And you bring the word to the street, man. You're real talented, man.
That's what people don't know. I do it from the heart.
People try to take that shit away from you, man. That's some bull,
You know what I'm
man.
saying? But I got love for the hood, though. You know what I'm saying? I might be taking a shit in my bathroom. I still got love when I'm taking my shit. You know what I'm saying?
You got love for your shit, too. But yeah, that's what's up though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Niggas be coming around with that bullshit, trying to take that shit away from you, man. It's your shit. You taking the shit. You know what I'm saying? If you're taking the shit and niggas try to come around and take your shit from you, barking and, you know what I'm saying, just blasting up your place, you know what I'm saying? That's your shit.
You right though. You right though. You feel me though?
Yeah, I get it, man.
You know what I'm
And they gonna get it too.
This when somebody asks me, how do I inspire other kids? I'm like, follow me. So when we follow me, we can see what we gonna do when we stop following me.
Huh?
This the hood right there. This the hood talking, man. That ain't me.
That's a lot of thought.
This the hood. There's a lot of thought. There's a lot of thought.
It's a lot of thought.
There's a lot of thought.
So, would you say you're a thug?
You a thug or you a gangster?
I'm gonna put it like this to you. Cause I know you. You my people. You feel me? I ain't gonna really tell everybody this, but I'm gonna tell you. Cause
Yeah, real talk.
you cool.
Yeah, just like that.
You know, but I think I'm a poet. You feel me? I think me and Christian Aguilera, we got something common. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Y'all good again like peanut butter and jelly?
We just like this. You know what I'm saying? We just know what's going on in the hood. She might not be from the hood, but man, she got an ass, bro.
Alright, man, that's it for today, man. You know what I'm saying? Just having fun in the library, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit is fucked up as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Bored as fuck, hungry as fuck.
Yeah, it's what we do, man. Peace.